It's time for Around the Ozarks Wake Up Weather. Here's your host, Abby Dyer.
And good morning to everybody. It is Tuesday, September 26th somehow, and we are now dealing with a whole lot of nice weather from the forecast for the next stretch of days. I have one opportunity for rain and storms. It arrives late tonight into tomorrow morning. Then we're dry for the rest of the week. So pretty nice weather-wise in the Ozarks. This morning we are waking up at about 58 degrees. It's comfortable this morning. We're heading to the mid 80s though, so it will end up being maybe a bit on the warm side. Dress for summertime by this afternoon because it'll get hot out there later this afternoon, and I'm expecting that we hold on to this pattern kind of day after day. Sun and warmth, the overarching theme of the forecast this week. I have temperatures that start out very comfortable each morning, upper 50s, low 60s, and then we warm up into the mid 80s pretty much each and every afternoon. More sunshine in store for us, a whole lot of that this afternoon. I have more of that on the way as we head into the rest of the week. There's not even going to be a whole lot in the way of cloud cover. We see some of that develop late tonight in some of our northeastern counties with a small chance for rain and storms. But then not a whole lot in the way of rain chances for the rest of the 7-day forecast, and there won't be much cloud cover for the mid and end of the work week either. That chance for rain that exists tonight is only about a 20 to 30% chance. It is not going to be a soaker. And I really think the best chances for rain are actually going to stay far to our north. So up in central Missouri, that's the best opportunity for rain and storms tonight. If you're in our northeastern counties, though, we're talking Lake of the Ozarks back through Rolla, you have a chance for some rain. Even then, it's only about a 30% chance for rain. And I think that happens after dark tonight. It's over by tomorrow morning. So we are not talking about a long lived event here at all. Few nighttime showers and thunderstorms, no severe weather in this forecast. You don't have to worry about that. And then tomorrow, we'll hold on to some of the clouds from that system, especially in those northeastern counties. A few showers will be possible in the morning to the northeast of Springfield. Then it's sunny and we're heating up into the mid 80s again. That's going to be the forecast on Wednesday. By Thursday, everybody's mostly sunny. And once again, we're talking about those mid 80s holding strong. There may be a few areas that get into the upper 80s too. Of course, we've been talking about drought conditions, dry ground for many places across the Ozarks, places that have not seen a whole lot of rain. So those of you that got the soaking rain over the weekend west of Highway 65, you're probably going to stay in the mid 80s today, whereas places that remained dry could be closer to the upper 80s. And then we are talking about another extended period of dry time here. My extended forecast does not have a whole lot of rainfall in it. In fact, tonight's the best shot, and it's only for our northeastern counties. And even then, only about a 30% chance for some showers and thunderstorms. So on your Tuesday, 85 degrees for the high temperature. The winds will be comfortable, pretty light, about 5 miles an hour, and out of the west today. That small chance for rain, best to the northeast of Springfield overnight tonight, as I mentioned. A few clouds in the morning on Wednesday. That will give way to full sunshine. Then I've got sunny skies and 85 degrees in the forecast each and every day from there on out. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I think about 85 degrees and sunny. A nice dry stretch of weather. If you need a good dry stretch for a painting project, an outdoor project, something like that before the real fall temperatures hit and the leaves start blowing around all over, take advantage of this week because I think most remain dry and temps are comfortable for the rest of the work week forecast. Around the country, the weather is very active. That atmospheric river making headlines for the Pacific Northwest. Wet and windy in Washington, Idaho, portions of Oregon, Northern California, seeing this really kind of unsettled pattern. Couple inches of rainfall there are going to result in a few flooding headlines for our friends in the Pacific Northwest. It's also a really wet week down in Florida. I mean, every single day they are talking about some sort of rain chance. 2 to 3 inches of rainfall pretty much expected widespread across the state this week. It is an unsettled pattern down there. And then the southwestern portion of the country and the Central Plains, we're feeling more like summertime. We're in the mid 80s here in the Ozarks this week. We're talking 90s back in portions of Texas. I mean, it is still feeling like summertime for many of our friends down to the south and west. All right, here is that wake up weather brain twister question that I left you with yesterday. I'll have the answer. Yesterday's question: what is William Shakespeare's shortest play? And the options were A, The Comedy of Errors, B, Hamlet, or C, Timon of Athens. If you guessed A, you are correct. Word count there is like 15,000. And I think the longest is Hamlet at over 33,000. So A, the correct answer today. Congrats if you guessed it correctly. If you didn't get that one, here's another shot. Your wake up weather brain twister question this morning is this: Abraham Lincoln was the champion, or was a champion, I should say, in which sport? What do you think? Do you think he was a wrestler, B, a boxer, C, archery, or D, axe throwing? Abraham Lincoln, which sport do you think he championed? I will have the answer early tomorrow morning, but you can take a guess. Do that over on the Around the Ozarks Facebook page. I'll have the answer for you early tomorrow morning. And I expect that we're going to have pretty nice conditions through the afternoon. So get out, enjoy it. Have a lovely Tuesday. I will chat with you early tomorrow morning. And if you need detailed weather information all day long, make sure you check out www.aroundtheozarks.com. Have a great day.